Vitamin D deficiency suppresses immunity, new evidence reveals. This video is about vitamin D deficiency and how it suppresses the immune system. And we lose the ability to fight viral infections. Supplementing vitamin D increases immunity through several mechanisms. Vitamin D increases cathelicidins and defensins of immune system, which lowers virus replication. These chemicals are needed to destroy virus and other pathogens by the immune system. Another mechanism is that vitamin D reduces inflammation by increasing anti-inflammatory cytokines and by decreasing inflammatory cytokines. Please note, it is the inflammation which injures the lining of the lungs and leads to pneumonia. So no inflammation, no pneumonia. So using these mechanisms, vitamin D boosts the immune system. Low vitamin D means low immunity. And the current viral outbreak also happened in winter. Vitamin D is lower in winter. So this is another evidence. Elderly people are vitamin D deficient and they are at risk of viral infections. People with chronic diseases like cancer, vascular disease or diabetes are also low in vitamin D and have high inflammation, are at risk of viral infections. Acute respiratory distress syndrome occurs in elderly people and people with chronic disease. They have vitamin D deficiency. People with black skin has vitamin D deficiency because their skin has less ability to make vitamin D. So 82% African Americans are vitamin D deficient and 42% Americans have vitamin D deficiency. So Africans in America and Britain are hit hard by the viral pandemic. Fresh data reveals that mortality rate of black Americans is 2.6 times higher than the white Americans. The goal should be to raise vitamin D levels above 40 to 60 ng per milliliter. For treatment of infected people with the current viral pandemic, higher vitamin D3 doses might be useful. So these recommendations were taken from a recent study. Vitamin D receptors are in every cell of the body. This is so crucial for health. Immunity, hormone production, brain health, energy production and metabolism, diabetes, endurance, bone health, muscle strength, reproduction, you name it, and vitamin D has a role there. Immunity, hormone production, brain health, energy production, metabolism, endurance, bone health, muscle strength, reproduction, you name it, and vitamin D has a role there. Vitamin D is produced in your skin when it receives ultraviolet rays from the sun. That is why it is sometimes called sunshine vitamin. And if you live indoors, or it is winter, or you have a black skin, or you are elderly, or you live in a polluted city where ultraviolet rays cannot reach your skin, here are some symptoms which can be an indication of vitamin D deficiency. Number 1. Diabetes. If you have diabetes, get your level checked. The insulin producing cells might not be producing required insulin due to lack of vitamin D levels. Or due to inflammation, the body cells are unable to metabolize glucose and produce energy. You must look into it if you have this condition. Aching muscles. It is established that chronic muscle pain, which is not responsive to other treatments, can be due to vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is needed for proper muscle functioning, contraction and strength. That is why it is favorite in bodybuilder community. Muscle pain and bone pain often resemble each other. Muscle pain is usually concentrated in one specific location and is aggravated by physical activity. The bone pain is felt like penetrating and broadly spread pain. Fatigue. If you get easily fatigued, tired or feel sluggish throughout the day and have lack of energy, it is an indication of vitamin D deficiency. Your cells are simply not able to produce enough energy. Low moods, depression and anxiety. Vitamin D deficiency greatly affects the brain functioning and nervous system. And if you have low moods, depression, or anxiety, just look into it before your doctor puts you on drugs. Nervous system needs certain chemicals in certain ratio. These chemicals are known as neurotransmitters. The balance of these chemicals gets disturbed due to vitamin D deficiency. This is why many people experience low moods in winter due to lack of sunshine during the winter months. Thinning hair. Vitamin D is needed for hair follicle growth. And you can lose your hair if you are deficient in vitamin D. This is true for men and women both. Research also suggests a connection between low vitamin D levels and alopecia, which is autoimmune disease that results in bald patches. Slow wound healing. If your wound healing is slow, it can be an indication of vitamin D deficiency. Heart problem and high blood pressure. Perhaps one of the most underestimated risk factors for heart disease is vitamin D deficiency. Insufficient levels of it can drastically increase the likelihood of heart disease. There also seems to be a connection with high blood pressure. According to studies, low levels of vitamin D can double the risk of having a stroke, heart attack, or other heart complications. Obesity. If you are putting excessive weight, it is an indication that your body is not able to metabolize nutrients due to vitamin D deficiency. Reduced cognitive function. Vitamin D is vital for cognitive function. It is neuroprotective. Research strongly suggests that a deficiency of vitamin D is a significant factor in reduced cognitive ability. There are indications that low levels of vitamin D are connected to dementia as well as Alzheimer. Furthermore, adults with serious vitamin D deficiencies are 4 times more likely to suffer impaired cognitive function. Cancer. Vitamin D is a risk factor in colon, prostate, and breast cancers. So vitamin D can do wonders for your health, and its deficiency can ruin your life. This is it, guys. Please give this video thumbs up and share it with other people. It can help and save someone. Also hit the subscribe button and notification bell button. Thanks for watching.